Hello everyone. In today's video session, I am going to tell you about the scope of a variable. This is very important to know what is the scope of a variable. So first of all, let us see that what is this scope. Scope is it determines that which part of the program will access that variable, right? Scope is what? Which part of the program will access that variable, okay? Or you can say that scope determines the visibility of a variable. Visibility of a variable. Both have the same meaning. Visibility of a variable means which part of the program that variable will be visible. If it will be visible, then it can be accessible, right now? Or which part of the program will access that variable. Clear now? That is called a scope of a, that is called the scope of a variable. Now let us see that what are the scope of the variable. In Python there have two scope of a variable, right? One is the local scope, another one is the global scope, okay? Local scope and the global scope, or you can also say that local variable or global variable. Right now, local variable, or you can also say that global variable, right everyone? Now let us see what is this local variable. When a variable is defined within any function, okay, or inside any function, right now, when a variable is defined, when a variable is defined inside any function or within any function, right? Or within any function, that variable scope will become the local scope, okay? When a variable is defined inside any function or within any function, that variable will be accessible only within that function, okay? When a variable is defined inside any function, that variable will be accessible to that function only, right? That is called the local variable. Right now let us see what is this global variable, okay? Variable defined outside any function, okay? Variable defined outside any function can be accessible or available to any part of the program which is written after variable definition, okay? Now once again I am repeating here, what is the scope of a variable? Where the variable is defined, that determines the scope of the variable. Right now, that is also called the visibility of the variable, okay? Which part of the program that variable will be accessible is the scope of the variable, okay? There is having two scope, local scope and the global scope, right? when the local scope is also called the variables which is having the local scope are called the local variables, and the variables which are having the global scope, they are called the global variables. Right now what is local variable? When a variable is defined inside any function or within any function, that variable will be accessible to that function only, or will be available or will be visible within that function only. Right? Now we will see in the example very clearly. Now come to the global scope. Right? When a variable is defined outside any function, not inside any function, outside any function, okay, can be accessible or available to any part of the program, but which part of the program? Any part means which is written after the variable definition. Right now, where the variable is defined, after that as many lines of the program that can access the part of the program which is defined after the variable definition, that part will be able to access that variable. Clear everyone? So I think the global scope and the local scope will be very well clear. Now let us see with the example, okay, what this actually local and the global scope is. Right? Now, as with this scope, a lot of concept of the topic of the function you need to learn. Clear? Now let us see the example. There you have created one variable a equals to 10. Then you have defined a function def f1, and here you are going to create a variable that is going to hold 2, and you have written a print statement, print within function a, within function variable a equals to, right, comma a. Okay, now let us come to the program. F1, you are going to call this function F1, then you have written one program statement, that is print outside function, right, outside function variable a, comma a. Okay, now you have written this program. Let us execute this program. Okay, as you will execute this program, then what will happen? As you know very well, that program execution starts from the beginning of the statement. So first statement is a equals to 10. So a will occupy space in the memory and will hold 10. Clear? A will occupy space in the memory means a will be created in the memory and will hold the value. Clear? Now this is the function definition. As you know, as I told you, that function definition does nothing till function is not called. Okay, so function definition will be stored in the memory. Okay, and after that have the statement, that is a function call statement, right? So as system will form this function call statement, from here control will jump to the place where the function was defined, okay, or function definition to the function definition, right? And then what will happen? The statements, the function body will get executed. So what is written in the first statement of the function body will get executed. So here is written a equals to 2. So now what will happen? Whenever you will reach to the variable, to the function definition, there the variable will be created. Okay, when you will reach to the function definition, and if any variable defined there, that time that variables are being created and a will be created here and will hold a value 2. Clear? In the beginning of the function video only I have told you that function becomes, whenever you are defining a function, that becomes a black box for other part of the program. Means this part will not be, if you will stand here, if you will stand here, then you will not be able to see outside what is written, okay? And if you will come outside, if you will stand outside, and then from there you will not be able to see that what is written inside the function. So that I'll repeat for you again and again, okay? So function definition or the function body is black box for the other part of the program, right now. So now when you will come here, so what will, as this A will not be visible because this is the black box. So when you will reach here, so A is not visible, that A is already created. So what will happen? System will create a variable A and will hold the value 2, right? Then the control will come to the next statement, that is the print statement. So what output you will get here? Output of the program, what you will get? Within function variable A. Okay, you can write lot more information, value of variable A or like that. Okay, so what is the value of A? It is 2. Clear? Now no more statements are there. So what will happen from here? As the function was called, so the control will come back to the place from where the function was called, right now. So control will come here. After that, control will go to the second statement, that is print statement. And what is written inside the print? So one more thing is here, just note down that when you will come back to the calling place, right, the created local variable will be destroyed from the memory. Okay, so this is also one of the feature of the local variables, that local variables are created when functions are called, and it is being destroyed when control comes out from the function. This is very important point. Okay, local variables are created when functions are called, and it is being destroyed from the memory when you will come back from the function. Okay, this is very important and very advantageous also because it releases the memory. Clear now? So now come to the second part. Now outside the function variable A, so A will be able to see which part, which variable A, because this part will not be visible from here. So this is visible because it is outside any function. So this value of A will be printed here. Now what the output will come? Outside function variable A equals to 10. Clear, students? So this is the advantage of local variable and this is the advantage of global variable. Okay. Now one more thing, let us see. Suppose local variable, you have declared a global variable and local variable is not created in the memory. Okay, then in that case what will happen? Right, in that case what will happen? Let us start this program from the beginning. Right, so when you will start execute this program, so first of all control will come to the first statement, then A will be created in the memory and will hold value 10. Right, then this is the function definition, does nothing, keeps the information. Then control comes to the first statement, which is the function call statement. So from here the function will be called. So control will come here. So what will get printed? The output will be within function variable A. Can you tell me what will be the value of A? It will be 10. Clear now? Because this A, this is the global variable, so this will be visible, as I told you in the previous definition, that global variables are visible to the rest part of the program statement, which is defined after the variable declaration. Okay, so after here as many statement will be declared that will be able to access variable A. Okay, so now what will get printed here? Here 10 will get printed, right? Again you will come back from this program. Okay, you will come back to the calling function and then the next statement will be executed. So output will come outside function variable A, value is 10. Clear everyone? So here what is happening? Here what is happening? That all the variables, local variable not defined right now, local variable not defined, so global variable will be accessible, will be visible to inside the function also and outside the function also. Clear now? Now let us see something more from this example only. Now suppose that you have written this statement, right? And after that, if you will try to update the value of global variable, okay? If you will try to update the value of global variable, suppose you would like to add value 2 to variable A. Clear? Value 2 to variable A. In that case, what will happen? Okay? Just use your logic. See. Whenever the program will execute, after execution of the first line, okay, of the function definition, first line, system will found error. What type of error you will get? That variable, local variable A is referenced before definition. Right now, what type of error you will get here? That this will show error. What error? That local variable A is referenced before definition. Okay, this is not defined, but you are trying to access, that error will come, right? So what you will do, if you have to access the variable exactly what you have defined, the global variable inside the local variable, then how you will access that? So there have a global keyword, right? Global keyword. You will use the global keyword here and you will write here global A, right now? So you can say that this global keyword is providing permission, right, to access or to change the value of the variable, or it is informing to the system that this variable can be referenced right now without searching the local variable. Clear now? So when you will write the global A, right, then what output will come? Let us see. Execute the program from the beginning. A will be created in the memory. This is function definition. Function will be called, okay, F1. Then control will come to the definition. Then global A, this is the information for the system. Then control will come to the print. So what output will come here? Within function variable A equals to, what will be get printed? 10, right? And after that, here when you will come to the next line, then here error will not show because you have written global A. Clear? So now this A will access the value from this reference right now. So here what will happen? 10 will be referenced from the global variable, 10 plus 2. So what output will come? 12. Clear? And 12 will be assigned to A. 12 will be assigned to A. And if you will write here again, print after changing value of global variable A equals to, right, comma A. Then what output you will get? You will get the output when control will come here. After changing the value, 12 will be here, and then it will print after changing value of global variable A equals to, this will refer to the global variable. You will come back here, then the output will come, then the print, when the print statement of outside the function will be executed by the system, then outside function variable A equals to, what value will get printed? 12. Clear everyone? So this is the global variable and the local variable, right everyone? So now in next session I'll start the parameters, again. Okay, we will have to discuss passing different data type which will be passed to the functions as a parameter, how it is dealt in the memory. Clear? Okay, thank you everyone.